My name's Hanalei. I'm here at 15011 Nightingale Lane. This is a beautiful June King custom home. We're here in the backyard, which sits on a little over half an acre. The Mexican tile gazebo. Gorgeous day here in the Lakeway area. Now let me take you inside the home. Have granite countertops, custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances. This home is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, approximately 3,000 square feet. And you can see we're here in the living area, which has vaulted ceilings and an automatic fireplace.